everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to count the occurrences of each word in a string. So let us start this with the program. Here, this defines a function named count word occurrences that takes a single parameter input which represent the text in which the word will be counted. Now for the next line here, the split method is used to break the input string into a list of words based on white spaces. Now for the next line here, an empty dictionary word count is initialized to store the word counts. The key will be the words and the values will be the number of occurrences for the each words. Now for the next line here, a for loop iterates over each word in the list words. This ensures that every word in the input string is processed. Now for the next here, the next block of code, the lower method converts the word to lowercase to ensure the counting is case insensitive. Now for the next block of code here, this block checks if the word is already a key in the dictionary word count. So if the word is in the dictionary, it is added and incremented by 1. If the word is not in the dictionary, it is added with a count of 1. Now for the next line here, the dictionary word count containing the words and their respective count is returned as the output of the function. Now for the next line here, the input function prompts the user to enter a string and the input is stored in the variable input string. And here the count word occurrences function is called with the user provided input string, and the result, a dictionary of word count, is stored in a variable result. Now in the next line here, a header is printed to indicate the start of the word occurrences list. And here a for loop iterates over the key value pairs in the dictionary result so that the word is the key count and the count is the value, the number of occurrences, and this prints each word and its count in the format word count. So let's check this program. As I am entering a string, hence the word occurrences is like Python occurs one time and is occurs two times and easy occur one time and the rest of words also occur one time in the given string. So thanks for watching this video.